Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to replace your bathroom faucet the right way. Easy, clean, and completely leak-free. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. First, we need to shut off the water. Look under your sink for the hot and cold shut-off valves and turn them clockwise until they stop. If your valves are a bit old or stiff, turn them slowly to avoid damaging the stems. Make sure both lines are fully closed before you start. Step 2. Disconnect the water lines. Next, grab an adjustable wrench and disconnect the supply lines from the faucet. Place a towel or small bucket underneath to catch any water that might drip out. That's totally normal. Step 3. Remove the old faucet. Now, look underneath the sink and locate the black plastic mounting nut holding your old faucet in place. Loosen by hand or use a basin wrench if space is tight. Once that nut is off, you can lift the old faucet straight out from the top. Step 4. Prep and install the new faucet. Before installing, clean the sink surface where the old faucet sat. This ensures a perfect seal. Feed the new faucet hoses down to the mounting hole and tighten the nut from underneath until it's secure. Center the faucet before tightening all the way to keep it looking straight and even. Step 5. Connect the supply lines. Now it's time to connect your hot and cold water lines. Make sure each line goes to the correct valve. Hot on the left, cold on the right. Tighten them snugly with a wrench, but don't over-tighten. Hand tight plus a small turn is just right. Step 6. Flush and test the water. Before turning on the faucet, remove the aerator. Then turn the water back on and let it run for about a minute. This flushes out any debris or air in the new lines. Once the water runs clear, turn off and reinstall the aerator. Step 7. Check for leaks. Finally, take a look underneath your sink and check for any leaks around the supply lines, the P-trap, or the faucet base. If everything's dry, great job. You just installed your new faucet like a pro. And that's it. Your bathroom faucet is ready to use and looking fresh. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another DIY plumbing tip. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.